I think I'm live. Okay, I'm live. Here we go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. It's 12:09 p.m. As you can see, the targets of actually every coin right now, every coin is down. Every coin is down. Bitcoin is down. It's a terrible tragedy. A terrible tragedy that these coins are taking a shellacking. But what comes down don't always come up, but what comes down, this looks good right here. This is GMT USD. Now, I want to talk about this coin a little bit more as well. I believe this coin is going to be definitely more than $5 a coin. It's at $2.31 now. That's the low, ladies and gentlemen. This is a good time. See, this is a downtrend. Again, I'm using Hakanishi candles. And as you can see, it's saying there's still downtrend. It could go down some more. I mean, the entire market is going down. Let me go to Coin Market Cap. Coin Market Cap. There we go. This is Digibyte. Long short coin. No longer interested in. I'm into the money. I mean, the market is down overall. I mean, Bitcoin looks like it's going to touch that 30K marker, and then hopefully it'll find support at that 30K. Because if it breaks down below that 30K, everything is going to go down. As you can see here, almost everything is going down. The past week, it's been a terrible ordeal. ApeCoin hit $10, ladies and gentlemen. I said it's a possibility it could go down. I didn't think it would, but it did. I mean, once the market went down, once Bitcoin went down, it took everything with it. Everything with it. But when there's good things and bad things about these coins. I mean, the reality of it is this. You can get it cheaper. Yeah, you might have bought it at $14. You might have bought it at $15. But you can still buy more at a cheaper price and make the money back that you lost. There's a possibility that could happen. I mean, the reality of it is you could probably get, if you bought it at $20, now you know that you can get double those coins now at the price that it is now at $9.99. You get the idea. I mean, you can't listen if it's already red and you're upset. It happens. This is the market. It's crypto. It'll come back up. You just got to be patient. The reason why I'm saying these coins will come back up because they're in the top 50. They're in the top 100 coins. They're not, one coin 1,936. There's a lot of volume at play. You're talking billions of dollars, ladies and gentlemen. This is a $2,870,000,000 market cap. You see that right here, ladies and gents? So these coins will go up and will go down. Once the market, hopefully it'll recover. If it recovers, it comes back up, then yeah, it's all good and gravy. But I wanted to talk about, that's ApeCoin. I should go back to ApeCoin because I did talk about ApeCoin. I just want to talk about GMT coin because this is the money. I sold my ApeCoin. Once that drop came down, I had to put my my sell order in. And like I said, I thought it was going to hold here. It did hold pretty well. But I said if it breaks down below this, you want to sell, okay? Because the targets are this one here, which it did hit, and it did try to find some support there. But then below that, ladies and gents, look how far down it is. This is the previous. Remember when I talked about it, March 20th? It can go as far down as this price, okay? And I did mention that, which was right around $10, even less. If it breaks down below that, let me bring this up. Then you're looking at $7, $8, $7.70-something. That's the next low target if it breaks below this target here, which was $9.40. If it breaks below that, it's going down to probably $7.64, $7.60, right around that price there. And then, listen, I don't know when it's going to come back up. Should you sell? I wouldn't hold on to the coin because you can buy more once it dips more. You may sell it and then all of a sudden it does a U-turn and starts climbing. This happens in cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen, so you have to make the decision yourself. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to share what I see. And I lost money on this trade myself. I thought I was going to bounce by itself when I bought. When it did down, I had to sell it. I lost. So that means technically I lost some money because it did dip down. You know what I mean? I thought it was gonna go continue up. So when it went down, I don't know. I sold it right around this price here. I thought it was gonna bounce back up, which it did slightly right here. You know what I mean? But that's why I sold out. I sold here, and look at this. And I waited. I'm like, damn. I said, well, I won't be trading ape for a little while. Let me go see what other coins are out there. And then I started doing, you know, I do like everything else. I watch YouTube. I read news, etc. I get a lot of cryptocurrency sent to my phone, notifications. And then I started looking at GMT. And the reason why I started looking at GMT is because for some reason, GMT is doing something I've never heard before, okay? And I'm going to show you what that is if you haven't heard yet. And look at the price. Its previous high was almost $5. So this is like a deal. You're getting a deal getting it now. You're getting a big deal getting it now. Plus, it's only $2.31 right now. It's not a bad price. Could it go further down? I mean, it doesn't really have any previous activity because it just launched, you know, in April. You know, so April, you got May, and then that's it. April, May, and then June's on around the corner. So the only thing I can think of, I mean, if you want to know what this coin does, that's what I would probably look first because this coin is crazy. It's doing something. You buy sneakers, okay? You buy sneakers from their website. All right, Stepn. It's called Stepn. They call it GMT, but Stepn, GMT. Coinbase calls it GMT USD, as you can see here. But it's called Stepn. Stepn's the actual coin company. GMT is the coin. And as you can see, this is the price right now. So I'm going to go to 1 month. That way you can see the high. You know, I'm just going to put 3 months. That way you see all the activity that it has here. Anyways, its market cap is at $1,300,000,000. The reason why I like this coin, I'm gonna show you exactly why. You're gonna see it for yourself. I'm gonna open up this website and check it out. You can actually make money. They give you make money. You buy a pair of sneakers from Stepn, right? You buy pairs. Now the sneakers that you buy from this company are not cheap. They're about, from what I hear, it was about $900. You buy these sneakers from them, but if you like walking, jogging, or running, you can make money, okay? So you join today and you make your steps count. Stepn is a Web3 lifestyle app with social-fi and game-fi elements. Players can make handsome earnings by walking, jogging, or running outdoors. You make money getting fit. Come on now. Fitness industry is humongous, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I had to jump from ape to this coin, because the hype from ape is over. Now we have to wait and see what happens there. But in the meantime, I'm looking at other cryptocurrencies, and this one caught my attention. And as you can see here, it's been a while. It's been out for a little while. Okay, but look at their quarters. What do it coming out with? April in-app wallet upgrade, marketplace upgrade. You got your 2022 quarter 3. Quest system, rental system. Again, they're going into the gaming and real life industry. There's a good video here if you want to watch it. It's called Stepn.com, STEPN.com. That way you can take a look at these videos. I advise you to. I watched this one the other day. I don't know where he's from. He's got a funny accent, but you know, different accent. But these are the advisors. I mean, these are the backers. Okay, so it's a pretty solid company. He's backing up this company here. So, and this coin, I think it's what is it? GMT. Let's go to. We could go to white paper. The white paper is going to tell. I'm just going to put how to play. Okay. So, all right. Here's what you do first. First, you choose a sneaker that fits your fitness level. Are you a walker? Are you a jogger, a runner, or a trainer? Okay. So I would not lie. I would just pick me. I'm more of a walker than a walker / jogger, but I would probably pick walker. See, and it tells you how many coins you can earn. Okay. Here. Okay, so you go 1, 5. So obviously, if you're really athletic and you run, you know, this is one that. Okay, so this is what you get paid. 1 to 20 kilometers an hour, you get between 4 and 6 coins. A runner, that's a trainer. A runner, 8 to 20 kilometers an hour, you get about 6 coins. And vice versa, as you can see here, and so on and so on. Okay, once you find your sneaker, find a sneaker from the phone, from the in-app marketplace. So you find the phone in the app. Okay, so once you select the phone, you're not going to actually get a pair of sneakers you put on. Okay, it's going to be on your phone as an app. And then search the filter, own more sneakers to gain higher energy level. Shoebox contains 1 sneaker with random type and quality. So if you get a shoebox, there's a possibility, you know, and they'll sell them. This is, oh yeah, by the way, these coins are from the Solana network. That's right, Solana network. So you can buy paying with Solana, etc. Sneaker detail page, high quality socket boost, the gems attribute. So once you have these sneakers, you purchase them, you have the app on your phone, and you just start moving, whether you're walking, running, jogging, you'll start earning coins. So you earn money. Now, I don't know how much money you can earn with this. I mean, how long it takes to get your money back. I don't know how long. I mean, I haven't seen it being done, but I'm sure there's probably a video out there. Possibility there's a video out there. But you equip your sneaker, you move outdoors and burn energy and earn handsome rewards. As simple as that. And then you can earn mystery boxes. A lot of these mystery boxes give you extra coins. Some of them give you extra coin. Maybe you get a sneaker, etc. You got earning cap, energy cap. Measure running outdoors with GPS. So it measures with using the GPS system on your phone. So it's anti-cheating. You are not earning if moonwalking. That's funny. Optimal speed kind of gives you an idea. Check and flex. Check your earnings and share on social media. So you can, okay, so they have a sharing capability here. I mean, think about it. I mean, this coin right now is only at $2.29. But let's just say this coin hits $5 per coin. You know, it hits $20, $30, $40 per coin down the road. So all these coins you done gathered up and earned through exercising, whether it be walking, jogging, or running, or trainer. I mean, this is a possibility you can make some pretty decent income. You know, but again, these sneakers are not cheap. I'm not gonna lie. From what I hear, it's not cheap. Your steps count with Stepn, and then you can download it for the Android or the Apple iPhone. This is pretty much. Let me just go to the white paper. Just take a look. Okay, but I wanted you to see. I'm gonna go to the light paper. The light paper is a lot easier. What is Stepn? Gives you an idea what it is. We aim to be the leading Web3 health and fitness app. I mean, health industry is huge, man. It's real huge. So I'm again trying to get active in myself. So will I purchase these shoes? I don't think I'm ready. I'm not that active yet. I like more weightlifting than I do running and jogging, but maybe down the road, you know what I mean? We'll see. You can buy. Oh, okay. So you can rent them. It looks like you can rent some. I don't know. That's new. You can buy, rent, move to earn. So okay, you can 30% to renter, 70% to. So you can rent shoes, as you can see there, in that wallet swap. GMT only obtainable at sneaker level 30. Imagine you bought a pair of sneakers and you rent them out to someone that's really athletic, that loves to run every day. That's pretty good, isn't it? Again, GMT tokenomic, increase GMT cap. So they can burn GMT to permanently increase GMT daily earning cap. They're going to mint its rare, quality, redistribute, gem upgrade, gem success. So there's a lot of token burning, sneaker repair, sneaker sockets unlocking, level up mystery box boosting, customization fee, level up sneakers, shoe minting, upgrade gems. It's almost like NFT, but in the digital aspect, but it's sneakers, and you make money just working out. This is it's pretty awesome. I like this system here. There it is, gem system, 2022 February. So all this already happened. Now we're in this here Stepn phase 4 rollout, which, ladies and gentlemen, we are in May. Okay, so this is when it's rolling out. So there's a lot. I mean, they did a lot of building beforehand, as you can see there, and now we're at the point where they're just launching this thing, and it's really going to start moving, in my opinion. So they have an NFT market spinoff rental system. So that's coming in Q4. So I'm guessing when you buy sneakers, you'll be able to rent them. I don't know, man. It sounds pretty good. It sounds good for people that are working out, that like lifting, like running, like working out in general. That seems pretty cool, man. I don't know. It's just in my opinion. Now, Stepn is a self-styled Web3 slow app with GameFi elements on the Solana blockchain. So they are on the Solana blockchain. It combines aspects of a play-to-earn game with a fitness app to create a new category coin, Move to Earn. Users buy NFT sneakers, which they can use to earn in-game currency while walking, running, or jogging. Stepn aims to revolutionize the market of fitness applications by incentivizing millions of users to follow a healthier lifestyle. This app solves several problems like proof of movement, proving that users really exercise, and a functioning GPS system. Moreover, Stepn incentivizes users financially and plans to introduce social rewards elements that successfully contributes to carbon neutrality. The application is for Apple, is available for Android and for iOS, and has gone from its inception stage to the open beta version in only 5 months. After its successful IDO in March 2022, Stepn plans to optimize its in-game features and launch on several other chains in the future. So, I mean, sounds like they have a lot of plans, a lot of growth coming down the road. So, who are the founders of Stepn? Stepn was founded in August 2021 by Australian blockchain entrepreneur Yong Rang. Mr. Rang has previously founded Crypto SA, an Australian crypto fund and pro-regulation auditor, and has served as an ambassador for Algorand. And as an industry representative of South Australian Blockchain Association, he founded Stepn with the neighbor and partner Jerry Huang, a game developer and former founder of Falafel Games. Stepn has raised a significant $5 million seed round from some of the biggest crypto venture capital firms like Sokia Capital, Folius Ventures, Solana Capital, Alameda Research, Six Man Ventures, DeFi Alliance, and several others. Several notable angel investors include Santiago R. Santos and Asia partner of Republic Zencao. All right, well, I'm not going to read this whole damn thing, but you get the idea. I think this is something. Now, listen, the whole entire market's down. Just keep that in mind. Everything is going to be dropping if Bitcoin keeps dropping. Now, do I think we're in the phase of a drought where everything is selling for a long period of time? Remember that happened for like 2 years straight? It was a horrific experience, ladies and gentlemen. It truly, truly was for everybody. So, do I think we're there? I don't think so. I think it's going to change. I think times are changing. A lot more people are getting, introduced to crypto. The EFTs, you've seen what happened with the SEC. SEC's pretty much, they don't handle everything incorrectly. They did a lot of things wrong, and they're getting backlash. They're getting hit left and right. People are suing the SEC. The SEC is suing people. People are suing the SEC back and forth. They just think that they're taking they're just taking long. I mean, Stepn is even #1 on the trending list. I mean, I would advise you guys take a really good look at Stepn, or GMT, whatever, same difference. It's right around 229, 230 right now. I mean, again, there's no previous support, so I can't tell you where it's going to go. What I can tell you is it's a really cheap price now. I believe it's $2.31. Let's say it went down to $1.50, but you bought it at $2.30. And then about a month from now, it's at $5. You see what I'm saying? You wouldn't care about this drop if you knew where it was going. And a lot of times people will trade cryptocurrency in between, lose money, where you just buy and hold. Now, this is a cheap price, $2.30 for a fitness app that you can earn while running and jogging. Now, I mean, I don't know where this is going. I don't know how long it's going to take for it to go. Do I believe I'm going to make my money back and some? Yes, because I bought it down here. I bought it here, and I'm waiting to sell here at $5 so I can double my money. That is my goal. So, yes, I did purchase. I actually purchased it at $2.35, give or take. So, right now, I lost a little bit of money, which isn't too bad. I mean, but it's part of crypto. It's part of the market. Do I think it's going to turn around? I believe so. You know what I mean? And again, this coin just launched, and it's got a lot of plans. So I'm sticking with it. And let me go my Fibonacci retracement tool, because we want you to know where it's going to go. We got to go with the past to the present. Okay. Now, if I go on a 4-hour shot, you won't be able to see any candles. Barely any candles. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. Right now, it hit the 0.2Y because that's the only bottom. There's no other bottom. So that's why we have to stop here. And it could go lower, but we don't know that yet. Okay, so we just got to go with what we think. There's no previous support area or resistance. This is why you're in early. I mean, if this candle pushes up and above this candle, if this candle pushes up and above this candle and closes, we could have a new trend setting. You know, there's a possibility it can be going the other way. But this candle has to close above this candle. See, right where that wick is, right where the wick starts, that's where it has to close above. If it closes above that, there's a possibility it can stop moving the other way. I don't know. If Bitcoin keeps dropping, it can continue to drop. I mean, there's no bottom to match it with. All you can do is hope for the best. That's it. Or don't buy. Don't buy at all. Just wait. Wait it out. You know what I mean? Wait it out and see what happens. You know, if Bitcoin keeps dropping, wait it out. That's the only thing I can tell you, because if we go to Bitcoin, let me go to Bitcoin for now so you can see. Bitcoin. Bitcoin USD Coinbase. Okay, here we go. This is Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, on the 4-hour. Well, it broke this previous resistance. It broke this one. That means it could be heading to the next one. So now we got to go back. Where's the next one? We got to go back, way back. Okay, here it is. It is July 2021. This is the next. It could have hit here. Oh, it's here now. Okay, so it's hitting this. If it breaks below this, it's going here. It's going to 29,636, give or take. This is where it's going to go. Yeah. This is a possible. Oh, let me bring this over just like that. Yeah. That's where it's going to go, ladies and gentlemen. If it breaks down here, it already broke all these other ones. Let me get my highlighter out, my rectangles, but I want to change the color. Let me change that color to yellow. You see, it broke that already. It broke that. That was really. It's selling really bad right now. Bitcoin is really dropping. I don't know if it's gonna stop. It doesn't look like it's gonna stop. It looks like it's gonna break. If it breaks this 32,000, if it goes under 32, yeah, you're gonna see 30. 30 is gonna be the new low. And if that happens, it's taking everything with it. Every coin, everybody's gonna start selling like crazy. But man, we were in a downtrend. Bitcoin was in a major downtrend for a long time. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. Imagine you had the Heikin-Ashi candles. If you knew you had the Heikin-Ashi candles, you would have seen this shit happen. You would have sold somewhere up here, and you would have just watched it. And then you say, okay, now it's stabilizing. Should I get back in? Should I get back in? Then when you see it break its previous, if you would have saw it break, let me get my brush. If you would have saw it break right here, let me put that a little thicker. And let's change the, yeah, we'll keep it yellow or orange. There we go. If you saw it broke here, you would have bought here. This is where you would have bought, because you knew the trend is changing. Boom, and then it closed above it, and it was climbing. Then you see it come back down, it touched it, and it shot right back up. You see that? And then you saw this. You're like, oh, shit, here we go. If it breaks down below this, we're in trouble. It did, and it closed. You got to sell. Yeah, you might not have sold the top, but you at least sell here and watch all this happen. You know? And now here's where we're at today. So the only next support area, if it doesn't, if it holds here, that's great. If it doesn't, this is the next resistance. Next support area, which is right around 29.5, 29.4, 3,000, 30,000 right there. That's the next support. And if it breaks through that, holy shit. The next one is way the fuck down here, 17. 17,665. First, it'll go to 23 and break that, and then it's going to hit 1774. And then it could possibly go, ooh, I don't want to talk about it. But yeah, it could happen. But it has to hold here. This is the last major support right at 30,000. If it doesn't hold this, kiss every coin goodbye. Sell it, sell it, sell it, and just wait, because it's going to be the biggest bear. And if it breaks this year, it's going down. And it's going to go down heavy. It could go to single digits. Yeah. It could go to single digits. I hate to say it, but it's the truth. Because after it breaks these major, this is major. Because remember, it was support here. It was support here, support. And then it hasn't touched it yet. But if this touches it, that's it. It's a wrap. But I don't think that's going to happen. I don't know, but then again, who the fuck am I? I'm just like you. I don't know. I don't know everything. What I do know is the chart, and I'm looking at it. So I would tell you just be really careful. I mean, just watch this resistance level. Now, it looks like it's pushing back up. Let me get rid of this drawing. That way you can see it's right at that level. It's right at that level. If it finds support here by 7 hours and 24 minutes, in 7 hours and 24 minutes, that'll be 8 o'clock. And that's when it resets this new daily candle. And if it closes above this line, and if it closes above it, then it could be trend changing. It could be coming up. If it goes below and closes below, it's definitely coming down to 30. That's my opinion. Again, you do your own research. That's what I would tell you. Keep an eye on that. Let me go back to GMT. Because this is where I want to start talking about right here. I mean, look at it. Look, you can see that on a daily, it said bing, bing, bing. And it went down. Now it closed. And this needs to close above, too. If we can bring this, if this can come up, that'd be nice. But it's two little candles to do some real measuring at the daily. So I like to go to the 4 hour. Even a 4 hour doesn't have that many candles. But that's okay. Here's where we do our research, ladies and gents. As you can see here, this is a RSI histo alert. It's like a histogram. You start seeing this curvature. That's what we want. We want it to curve up and continue. And then we also want to see this purple cross over the yellow. I want this yellow to come down, which would mean selling. And then this purple to come up and cross over. Because if this purple crosses over that yellow, you can see that there'll be buying pressure. And I mean, it's a possibility to be happening. Showing this is a strong sell, but I would definitely buy around here. I would probably buy right around this price now. But you got to, again, it goes hand in hand with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to drop and it's about to hit that $30,000 level, this coin could drop, down to 225, and you can get it a little cheaper. So it's your call. That's what I would tell you. It's your call. Is this a great coin? I mean, you tell me. People going to exercise? Yes, they are. Well, download the app. You buy a phone on the app. Now the phone, you purchase a sneaker. It's like an NFT sneaker on the app. You use that to make money while you're already exercising. So if you can make money exercising, why wouldn't you if you already exercise? Think about that. Now this coin is only at $2.20-something. You understand what I'm saying? It's not a huge market cap coin. Let's go back to the exactly what it is. Here we go. It's trending. This coin is trending. People are starting to take notice. Circulating supply is 600. That's a 600 million. All right. So max supply is 6 billion coins. Okay, 6 billion coins total supply. Now, if a lot of people start getting, think about it. What other coin right now can you make money on just walking, with an app on your phone? Other than, these other mining, the ones that don't take up juice, the fake mining ones, I know that there's many out there. Like ETN was one of them where you didn't really mine, but they said it was mining. You had to click on it every day or something like that. But 6 billion is not that much. This coin is currently ranked number 56. That's pretty good rank, considering you just came out. I would definitely take a look at this. You know, I would definitely take a look at it with open eyes. And I mean, $2.28 is not bad at all. I mean, for a coin that's 6 billion market cap. Let's go to other coins here. Let's go to let's go to, okay, we got 120 million. I'm trying to find a coin that has about 6 billion market cap. So max supply let's go here. I mean, XRP has 100 billion max supply. That's a lot. It's at 52 cents. Solana. Come on, Solana. Give me your numbers. All right, Solana only has 511 million, it looks like. It's not that much. I'm trying to find a coin similar to 6 billion and see how high price wise. Wow, this one's 45 billion. That's a lot. Luna. Come on. See, how come Luna doesn't do that? All right, let's see what Luna has. 726 million. I'm just trying to go. I'm trying to differentiate and see where this coin can actually go once we know its market cap. So this is 1 billion market cap. So this coin has 1 billion market cap. Max supply, max supply. That's $10.49. So, and GMT has 6 billion. So I'm trying to see. So this is a 10 billion market cap at 85 cents. 84 million. 30 billion. I'm just trying to see how high price wise it can go. 10 billion at 64 cents. 12, 52 million. That's 1 billion coins. Well, here's what I can tell you. Could it hit? I mean, I just wanted to hit $5. That's what I wanted to hit, because the market cap, if it has 6 billion coins, this has 1 billion coins. It hit $9.57. Now, remember, this coin did hit almost $28. Almost $28, and it has 1 billion market cap coins. Okay, that's total coins, total supply. Now, Stepn has 6 billion, but the use of it is where it's going to differentiate. It is a gaming, also be part of gaming app. It is part of real life exercising, so you can earn while you're really exercising. Through an app on your phone, you buy the NFT sneaker, you can make money with that sneaker just by walking, jogging, or running. I've never seen something like that. I mean, I think it's a really cool idea. I think it'll definitely get some eyes and ears to people who do work out and see what happens. I mean, that's 6 billion coins is a lot of coins, but I mean, the way you earn it and it's different. You can, I guess, you can buy it, sell it, do the NFT. So it is going through the NFT. It is a Solana blockchain, and it was at a previous high, almost $5. So and again, it started off at around 390. It shut down and then went way up here to close to 5, and then it declined ever since. But again, it's brand new coin. So take it with a grain of salt. That's all I'm going to say today. Hopefully, you guys can see that this is a really good coin. Has a lot of potential. But this coin can also go to zero. Keep in mind, any coin can go to zero. Any coin. You gotta you gotta do your own research, and you gotta understand that not everything. Programs do good, some programs do bad. Look at Digibyte. Digibyte's been around forever, and you would think that coin should have been $1 by now, but it never happened. You know what I mean? And I held that coin for 2 to 3 years. Yeah, I was one of those guys. Long-term holder. That coin never did shit. But that's part of crypto. You know what I mean? You're going to buy some coins that are going to do good. You're going to buy some. And there were some coins that did really well that I purchased. You know what I mean? And it was when it first launched. DeFi sector. What I like about Coinbase is they're adding DeFi coins now, which is great because the DeFi market is huge. That's all I got to say today, ladies and gents. I'm out of here. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys learned something from this. Maybe apply it to your daily trading. The possibility that you like the coin yourself. I mean, if you have any questions or comments, by all means, post them down below. Let me know what you think. All right.